Babukeli njengoba ngishilo ukuthi I'll be updating you, so nginobaba lana ngidombuto what's happening here, ufunani lana kwenzakalani baba sanibonani?
Yes, sanibona.
Siyaphila baba wami, can you please tell my viewers ukuthi ungubani and what brings you here?
So me, I'm Prince Mthethwa, and I'm a leader of the Jozi Community Parliament, which is the movement of the community. So we are here as a community. We want to make sure everything is go well. The people never break anything, and the people doesn't loot anything. So we are here on the march as a community, and to make sure that no one can disturb anything, special peace, because we need our city. End of the day, we need our shops and everything. No one allow after the march, people can take advantage for the situation whereby they break the shops. So since we are moving all over, we see all shops are closed. So now we say no man, we don't say that people must march. They have the right to march as a constitutional right.
Okay. So now we are support the march. It's a very all illegal foreigners must go.
We say people must march, and they say all legal foreigners must go. But some they say all foreigners must go. I think people they misinterpret the things. Actually, we don't have a problem actually with foreigners. The problem is our own government. Not all about the foreigners as such. After foreigners, but what could happen? There's no jobs here in South Africa, serious job.
Yeah.
As a South African, we need a quality job. We don't like selling eggs on the street and selling tomatoes. We want a proper job as South African. Where can you build a future? You can't move around with the eggs like foreigners, those who go in Malawi in the hotel.
Yeah.
According to my judgment, there are many in Malawi going.
Yeah.
But who will get the job after that? Yes, the people must have document, because those who have no document, you can't be traceable at all.
Yeah. Okay. No, siyabonga my leader. So you are saying that even if they go, but the main issue here it's jobs.
The main issue is our government. If you don't remove the government, you must remove the government of the day. I think from my opinion, we support put the youngsters on the parliament.
Yeah.
Those old people, they are old and tired, they're stealing everything. So that's why they mess up the government.
Yeah.
You find somebody is a minister of education, but they never even go to school. They buy even those matrices. That one, those qualification to be minister of what. Everyone, you check the total like PKC McKenzie, you put him in sport, you mess up the sports. So that's my opinion. So we need the young people with a fresh mind to run the government. We need a young blood. Yeah. We are tired with the old people. That's why our country is messed up.
No, thank you very much, Siyabonga, my leader. I'll be going around and talking to other people. I'll be updating you. Thank you.